Cadillac doors in primer surfacer after tons of body work, rust repair, and all the other crap. So now I'll show you my secrets. Now, see these Durablocks? Pretty neat. Obviously I've cut this one off to fit a 9x11 sheet, and I just stick these on with Stickum and cut them to size, but this one I've made fit a 9x11 sheet. And I quit using power tools years ago, but now they're sitting on a shelf. I might as well find a way to repurpose them. So here's what I do now. This is my trusty Hutchins. These things are the Cadillac of body tools. And this is an orbital longboard. And what I do is I glue 9x11s on here in 2 pieces. Yep, just glued it on there. Anything I can do to save labor time. And everything I do, everything I've done for the last 15 years is done wet. Hell no. I don't want that shit in my lungs. But see how quick that is? And I guarantee you, it's damn straight after I use one of these on there. And that's just 320. I'm not wasting primer.